Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Suvarna Rao, working as a assistant professor, Department of Information Technology. My subject name is the e-commerce. Today I will be taking the topic is e-commerce analytics and reporting. It is the most important thing from the e-commerce. What is the e-commerce analytics and reporting? Having some definitions also there in the e-commerce, especially the e-commerce analytics involve the collections or measurements or analytics and interpretation of the data related to the online sales and the customer behavior to optimize businesses strategies and decision making. So the importance of the e-commerce analytics and reporting here, providing insight into a website performance, customer journey, product performance, and marketing effectiveness. So, and overall businesses health, enable data driven decision making to improve sales and customer satisfaction and ROI. So the definitions is the very important thing. One is the definition of the e-commerce analytics and report, and second one is the importance. The main aim of the e-commerce analytics nothing but after analyzation, the reporting you can forward. The customer is the best customer. You can give the good loyalties, good offers, and the information up to date data is available. What about the items are purchased, how to release the data, all those things based on this information. The basic definition of this one mathematics, the e-commerce analytics involve the collection of measurements. So many measurements also required. So many parameters also is collecting. Then after requirement is completed, then apply the analysis. Analysis nothing but then after completion of the analysis nothing but and deep knowledge of the product or subject and interpretation of the data related to the online sales or customer behavior. And then after completion of the measurement or analysis or interpretation, then crisp clarity information is getting is called the customer behavior and optimize the business strategies as the decision making. So the definition and the importance of the this one, those things is very important or effective things from the e-commerce analytics and reporting. Here having some importance is there. The importance nothing but provide insights into a website performance or customer journey. Customer journey is the most important thing from the e-commerce analytics and report. And product performance, which type of the product we can buy, which type of product we can sell, which type of product we can watch the advertisements, all those things is the very, very important thing. Then after marketing effectiveness or overall business health. Overall business health which depends upon in the beginning to ending, how many buy a purchase, how many buy a customer sell a goods or whatever it may be, how many videos are watching in the advertisement, all those things. These three things also one of the important factor could impact for the any customer. Then after enable data driven decision making to improve sales or customer satisfaction and ROI. So the definition important is the very important thing from the e-commerce analytics and the reporting. Okay. Then going to the other important thing is for the e-commerce key metrics in the e-commerce analytics. We have different types of the key metrics also there, treated as a key metrics in the e-commerce business. One is the sales metrics and second one is the customer behavior metrics. Sales metrics is always depends upon the sales. Here, how to total sales revenue and the average, all those things will depend upon the sales metrics. The sales metrics, once again, I will discuss the sales metrics. Track metrics such as the total sales revenue, sales metrics, average order value AOV, and conversion rate CR, and shopping cart abandonment rate to access sale performance and identify the opportunities of the improvement. So the key metrics in the e-commerce analytics it depends upon the these things also required. Then based on the sales metric, It depends upon the customer behavior metrics also there. The customer behavior metrics, nothing but a analyze metrics like traffic sources, or page view, or bounce rate, or time on site, and click-through rate, CRT rate, to understand how customer interact with the website and optimize user experience. Optimize user experience depends upon the customer behavior metrics and improvement performance and identify the opportunities for the improvements are CR conversion rate and AOI depends on the sales metrics. So the key metrics in the e-commerce, one is the sales metrics and the second one is the customer behavior metrics. The e-commerce analytics reporting, one of the important things from the product performance. Product performance of the monitor metrics such as the best selling products is available in the market, or inventory turnover rate, or product return rate, and SKU level. SKU level, that's what sales. Okay. uh, Sales level treated as a SKU level. Profitability and optimized product or assortment and pricing strategies. Enter those things is treated as a product performance. Product performance is always depends upon the those things. One is the monitoring metrics such as the best selling product, inventory turnover rate, and product returns rate, and the SKU levels profitability to optimize product assessment, assortment, and the pricing strategies. Here, the tools and technologies is the most important thing from the e-commerce analytics and reporting. Having some Google Analytics is the one of the best tool e-commerce platform. So many tools is available. Here, the Google Analytics nothing but widely used in the tracking website traffic or in user behavior conversion tracking and setting up customer report and goals specific to e-commerce objective. The tools and technologies is most important thing from the e-commerce business. Another important thing is called the e-commerce platform. It utilized building analytics tools and dashboard provided by the e-commerce platform. For example, Shopee Analytics and WooCommerce report to monitor sales trend and customer behaviors and product performance. These things also e-commerce platform. So many e-commerce platforms is available. One is the Shopee Analytics or WooCommerce report to monitor sales trend and customer behavior and product performance. So those things also very very important. And reporting and visualization dashboard. Create a customization dashboard to visualize key metrics and performance indicators and KPI such as the revenue, tenders, customer acquisition channels, or customer lifetime value (CLV), and a return and ad spend ROAS. Okay, ROAS. So the dashboards also most important thing in the e-commerce analytics and reporting. So step up thing is called the reporting and visualization. And the scheduled report, nothing but the e-commerce analytics and reporting. One of the important thing is called the scheduling report. The scheduling report, nothing but generated and distribute automated reports on a regular basis to stakeholder, summarizing performance metrics, trends, and actionable insight to inform strategic decision. So the schedule reports which depends upon this one it is called the generate and distribute the automated report on a regular basis to stakeholder, summarizing performance metrics, trend, and a actionable insight to inform strategies to decision. The conversion optimization, conversion funnel analysis analyze each stage of the conversion funnel, awarenesses, consideration, purchase to identify drop-off points or optimize user experience and implement A/B testing to improve the conversion rate. So the conversion optimization is called is a very effective and useful thing from the e-commerce analytics and reporting. Another important thing is called the multi-channel attribution. Use attribution models, first click or last click, multi-touch to attribute sales and conversions of the different marketing channels and a campaigning optimization budget allocation in the ROI. So the conversion funnel analysis and the multi-channel attributions is the most important thing in the e-commerce analytics and reporting. Then going to the other important topic is called the customer lifetime value and CLV analysis. CLV analysis is the most important thing from the e-commerce analytics and reporting. What about the define the CLV? The CLV measurement, the total revenue of a business can expect from a customer over their entire relationship with the company. It helps access the long-term profitability of acquiring and retaining customers. So that is the basic definition of the customer lifetime value (CLV) analysis. Here, having some important things also there in the CLVs. By understanding CLVs, businesses can prioritize customer acquisition efforts, tailors marketing strategies to high value customers, and allocate resources effectively to maximize long-term revenue. So, the to maximize long-term revenue, it depends upon the e-commerce analytics and reporting. Customer lifetime value (CLV) analytics is the most important thing. Is called the allocate resources effectively to maximize long-term revenue. That is also one of the good thing from the CLVs. The real-time analytics and dynamic pricing. The real-time analytics nothing but utilize the real-time data analytics to monitoring website traffic, sales trend, and a customer behavior as they happen. React quickly to changes, optimize marketing campaign, and adjust pricing strategies based on real-time insights. So the real-time analytics, which depends upon the e-commerce analytics and reporting, most role could play from the e-commerce business. And another thing is called the dynamic pricing. The dynamic pricing, nothing but implement dynamic pricing strategies based on the demand or competitor pricings and customer behavior data. Use analytics and analyzed price or elasticity, optimize pricing models, and all those things, and maximize profitability without sacrificing sales of the value. So, the dynamic pricing and real-time analytics is the most important thing from the e-commerce business. The inventory supply chain analytics is the most important thing from the e-commerce analytics and reporting of the e-commerce business. The inventory management mathematics use analytics to monitor inventory level, track product damage pattern, and optimize stack replenishment and forecast demand accurately to prevent stock out and minimize our stock situation. So the inventory and supply chain analysis also most important thing. And supply chain optimization, which depends upon the analyzed supply chain data to streamline logistics, reduce to time, and improve order fulfillment of efficiency. Integrate analytics with a supplier management to optimize a procurement and reduce cost is called the inventory and supply chain management. Here, some references also there. One of the important things is called the Arabic Kolkata Western Andrews. And before on that, the inventory supply chain analytics is also one of the important thing in the e-commerce business. The inventory management use the analytics to monitoring to inventory levels, track products or demand platform, and optimizing a stock replacement or forecast demand accurately to prevent a stock out and minimize the lower stock situation. So The inventory management, we can inventing the new items or new businesses, new element. Then the track product demand patterns also required, and optimize the stock replacement also required, and forecast demand is accurately to prevent stock out and minimize overstock situations also required. So the inventory management is the most important significant thing in the e-commerce analytics and the reporting. And supply chain optimization in the sense analyze the supply chain data and streamlining logistics, reduce the lead items, and analyzing supply chain data and streamline logistics, reduce lead times, and improve or fulfillment of the efficiency, or integrate analytics with the supplier management to optimize procurement data. So the e-commerce analytics depends upon the inventory supply is the one of the important kind of the thing. The e-commerce business, all types of the business, or business to customer, or customer to business, or B2B, B2C, or C2B, or C2C, whatever it may be, any type of the business depends upon the inventory and supply chain analytics also very, very important. The e-commerce analytics and reporting, it is the bridge between having some electronics business is required, some supply chain optimization also required. The supply chain optimization is always depends upon the analyze supply chain data or streamline logistics and reduce lead times and improve order fulfillment efficiency. Integrate analytics with a supplier management to optimize procurement data, procurement and reduce cost. Those things also very, very useful for the e-commerce analytics and reporting. So the e-commerce analytics and reporting is the one of the most important pillar or most important thing from the e-commerce businesses. And the real-time analytics and dynamic pricing also most powerful tool we can use the e-commerce businesses. Here, the real-time analytics nothing but a that utilize real-time data analytics to monitor website traffic and sales trends and customer behavior of they have to repeat quickly to change. That is also one of the important. For example, when a customer buy a one product, unfortunately size or whatever it may be is not suitable. Then repeat quickly to change and optimize marketing campaigning always. Adjust the pricing strategies based on the real-time insights also required. So the dynamic pricing also depends upon the most important thing from the e-commerce analytics and reporting. The main aim of the dynamic pricing method, they implement the dynamic pricing strategies based on the demand competitive pricing and the customer behavior of the data. Use analytics and analysis prices in the elasticity and optimize pricing model and maximize profitability without sacrificing sales of their value. So the dynamic pricing it is the most important thing from the e-commerce analytics and reporting. Then inventory and some supply chain management is the inventory management. Here different types of the things in the inventory and the supply chain management also. These two things also very, very important and useful. So the inventory and sales chain analysis, having these two things, inventory management as well as supply chain management, is the most important thing from the e-commerce analytics and reporting. That is the my today the conclusion of the class. And so many references also there I will discuss to the references. Please cover Ravi Kolkata Wisdom and BA Fantasies of the Electronics Commerce Pearson First Edition in 1996. Having some references books also there, David Whiteley, E-commerce strategies, technologies and application, and Tata Gahi and second edition. And Kamlesh Bajaj E-commerce, the cutting edge businesses, Tata Gahi and first edition. And last book and third book, most important book is the Christopher Westland Theodore H. Clark, in Global Electronics Commerce and Theory and Case Studies, University Press first edition, introducing of the name of the year of the book is called the 1999. So different types of the so many website references also there. These web references is very helpful for the further subject or enhancement of the subject. Okay, that is also my basic overview of the today class. Name of the class e-commerce and analytics reporting, and these are the references. So those things is the very useful or important thing from the e-commerce business. Thank you so much. This is for the thanks.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.